One of the most common reasons why a customer's dryer will not dry is because they have a screen over the vent on the roof. A lot of times when the roofers build the vent on the roof, they don't know which vent's going to be a dryer vent or which one's going to be a kitchen exhaust or a bathroom exhaust. Now, with a kitchen and bathroom exhaust, it is fine to have one of these screens, but if you have a screen like this on your dryer vent, it will eventually get clogged. And then a lot of customers will ask me, why don't you just take off the screen, clean it, and put it back? And I let them know that I could do that, but then they will most likely have the same problem within a couple of months. So a lot of them will ask me, what can I do about this if you don't recommend having a screen? How could I keep animals out? A lot of them say they have problems with iguanas, problems with mice, and stuff like that. So I let them know that there is a door inside of the dryer vent. So when the dryer is on, the door opens. When the dryer is off, the door is closed. And this will keep out most animals if it is working properly, but some dryers, the door doesn't seal very well, or some animals like squirrels and mice and some iguanas could actually open the flap and still get in. So they want to know, what can I do to solve this problem and make sure that I never have to worry about an animal getting into my house from the dryer vent? Is there anything I could do that won't cause it to get clogged but will still allow me to keep out animals? So I let them know that there is something you could do, but you're going to have a roofer do it because I cannot put screws and stuff into their roof. So you have to build a cage like this. This cage goes over the whole vent and leaves like a couple of inches of clearing, like 4 to 6 inches of clearing from where the actual air comes out and where the lint comes out. So this still allows the lint and the airflow to be released, but it keeps out the animals from getting in. This one has a really small holes, so this will keep out pretty much anything big, anything that will cause a problem in the dryer vent. So you have to have a cage around the vent. I've seen a lot of these. This one has a little bit bigger holes. Probably some smaller animals could get through this one. There's an opening so I could clean it, and then when I'm done cleaning the vent, I just close this with zip ties. So this is the only way to safely keep animals out of your dryer vent if you have a roof vent. Now, if you have a vent that comes out on the side, this is even more important to protect because a lot of animals will like live in the bushes and run around the side of the house like mice and stuff. So with this type of cage, this too sits over the vent, gives it clearance, and then this will allow the airflow to get out and will still protect you from getting clogged. But with these, they do get clogged a lot faster than if you don't have one of these screens. So make sure if you put one of these screens on that you clean it, and I'll leave a link down below for these type of screens that I would recommend. But make sure after you put it in, every 3 weeks to a couple of months, you go out and check, especially if you notice your dryer not working well. Go out to the side of your house and make sure that the screen is cleared off because these could get very clogged. And if you guys want to learn how to clean the inside of your dryer, check out this video over here.